Hey lamp workers and YouTubers and bead buyers and anyone else who may be watching this. Today I'm going to be reviewing Val Cox Amazonia Frit Blend, which I have tested quite extensively in my little lampwork studio. And as always, I will be sharing my results and my recipes. There will be all of this is going to be available on my website as well at www.twoglassyladies.ca, along with all of my other color experiments, including many of the other Val Cox Frit blends. Okay, results time. It's always kind of like Christmas morning, opening the kiln and seeing what we've got. This time I've been playing with Amazonia. Oh yes, lovely. Amazonia on EFFETRE 031. Transparent light emerald. Amazonia on EFFETRE 067 rose quartz. Amazonia on EFFETRE 220 periwinkle. I called this set Periwinkle Pop because I love the way the colors came up on the periwinkle blue. Amazonia on EFFETRE 224 light sky blue. The set got named Simply Fabulous. I love the beautiful sky blue as a base, and again, the colors just really pop, especially that lime green. Fabulous. Amazonia on EFFETRE 204 pastel white. This one's called Candy Shop because it's so bright and colorful and it makes me think of candies. Amazonia on EFFETRE 038 pale aquamarine blue with silver wire, fine silver wire melted in. This set's called Glamazonia because I just couldn't resist. Amazonia on EFFETRE 219 copper green with the fine silver droplets as well. I was thinking about naming this set Cat Poop on copper green because Val's sister Sabrina was joking with me that you could put cat poop on copper green and it would still look pretty. And it's true, it's probably my favorite base for frit. Just about everything comes out fantastic. I actually called this set Dinosaur Eggs. This is Amazonia on EFFETRE 232 pastel copper green with silver foil. This set I called Planet Earth, and that's what it looks like to me. Amazonia on LAUSCHA light pink. I called this set Secret Garden. The Secret Garden was one of my favorite books when I was growing up, and I probably read it many times. And anyway, these beads, they definitely have kind of a floral feel to me on the light pink base. Amazonia in KUGLER K100 leaded clear. These are the swirled encased beads. These are freaking showstoppers. Like, look at these colors. Amazing. And here, this is Amazonia again in the KUGLER K100 leaded clear. Swirled and speckled on the surface. So yeah, just a few more here. Basically this glass was just gorgeous in the Kugler leaded clear. I did encased beads and I did a set of spacers, and just love the results that I got with it. Highly recommend. And I don't think I made you look at any of my pets this time. So this is my wiener dog Wolfgang, and he's lying down on my old lady dog Kjaren's feet. Can't really see her, but I just thought I had to add some cuteness in here somewhere. Thanks again for watching. Come get the frit at valcoxfrit.com and valcox.com, and check out my beads at twoglassyladies.ca.